Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you my newest little travel buddy. This Perilogics universal airplane flight phone mount is the coolest invention. I love it. It came in a pack of two so that I have a his and hers. So my husband has one and he doesn't try to take mine. But also I love that it just clips right onto the lap tray in front of me and I'm able to put my phone in there to watch a movie, TV, whatever I'm doing during the flight. I don't have to bother the person in front of me. I don't have to hold my phone the whole time, which I love because that cranks my neck and it's just not a good situation. But as you can see, it can hang here like this, or you can flip it the other way and it actually can go a little higher. We do have a larger phone, so it does hold almost all phone sizes. It's very versatile with its mounting, like I said, up, down. But look, 360-degree rotation, and it folds back into a pocket size. It's wonderful. You can throw it in your backpack, wherever you need to throw it. Little hack, my son also figured out that it hung really well from my visor in my car. So like I said, just very versatile. You can use it wherever, hands-free convenience. We love traveling with it on planes. Just a great, great little travel companion so that you can use your phone hands-free. So if you're traveling on a plane or by car or anywhere else that you can clip your phone and you'll be able to watch it hands-free, I highly suggest this Perilogics phone clip, and that's just my point of view.